Welcome back, tech lovers. We all know Sony is a leader in the TV world, but there's one model no one seems to be talking about enough. Yep, I'm talking about the Sony Bravia 7A True Hidden Gem. If you're tired of the hype around overpriced TVs, stay tuned. This could be the ultimate TV you've been searching for, without breaking the bank. In just a few minutes, I'll break down why the Bravia 7 stands out, and what makes it an amazing choice for 2024. So if you're even thinking about upgrading your TV, you're in the right place. First up, let's talk features. Sony packed some impressive tech into the Bravia 7, and it's not all just for show. We've got stunning color accuracy, think bright, vibrant colors, but without the exaggerated pop you sometimes see on other brands. And get this, the motion handling is next level. Sony's proprietary tech reduces blur during fast action scenes, so it's perfect for sports fans or action movie junkies. And that audio? Sony's signature sound engineering makes it feel like you're right in the middle of the action, even without a soundbar. Now, when you compare it to similar models from Samsung or LG, the Bravia 7 hits this sweet spot of performance and affordability. Samsung might be bright and LG has OLED, but Sony keeps that natural quality with a little extra boost in build and durability. Now let's talk real-world use. This TV isn't just for tech heads, it's for everyone. If you love movies, the Bravia 7's color quality and detail are unbeatable for the price. Gamers, Sony has your back with low latency and smooth visuals, which makes every game feel that much more immersive. Families, you're covered too. The intuitive setup and energy efficiency make it a great family-friendly option that's easy on the wallet. But don't just take my word for it. Real users have been loving the Bravia 7's value. Reviews highlight the premium feel, smart features, and reliability that make it a step above other mid-range models. Here's a tip: head to the settings. Switch to cinema mode for movies, or game mode for gaming, and you'll see why people are calling it a hidden gem. So, is the Sony Bravia 7 worth it? Absolutely. It's not just about the specs. It's about quality and the viewing experience, all at a price that won't hurt your wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Drop a comment if you have questions or if there's a hidden feature you want us to dive into. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.